Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Absolutely no idea what's in this box. It was sent by Nate. Nate, thank you so much for sending this in. And thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's see. What do we have? Two quick cuts right there. Open this up. And we have, an Arcform. It's been a while. There's a note. Here's a note. All right. Hey, MC. Hope you hope you enjoy taking a look at my Arcform, etc. It's an etc. design. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. Okay. Some of it is custom, so the way produced by Windows titanium frame lock. Okay. Yes. Wonderful, wonderful. I appreciate this. And all the info that I could possibly need. Thank you very much. Plus the return address. So, we have, and I will link this guy right down in the description if I can. So, you can check the description whenever you see fit. Ooh, yeah. Arcform Catalyst. Oh, that is a good looking knife. Look how they do this. Oh, neat. So, this piece is then separate. I mean, it's a bolster, but it's an overlay or scale. Gosh, it's smooth. This is stupidly smooth. That's like the glassy kind of, it doesn't need the weight of the blade to have that feeling associated with it. Nice polish back here on the backspacer as well. Tumbled finish. Very, 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 very smooth. I cannot accentuate that enough. This has an unbelievably smooth. Is this a factory edge? Boy, that looks nice. Yeah, a nice, if you guys remember the Arcform Slim Foot, that's, whenever someone says Arcform, that's the knife that pops into my head, is the Slim Foot, the, not cleaver, but the sort of very squared off sheep's foot looking blade, right? That's what pops into my head there. But this Catalyst is a different package. Nice contoured carbon fiber and titanium with titanium underneath, and then a titanium frame lock. Very easy disengagement, no lock stick or anything like that. I believe, did he say this was S35N? It's kind of surprising they did not do M390 in this, but that's okay. We have a pocket clip that is it rounded up on top? I think maybe it's just flat. But it's a nice shaped pocket clip. It doesn't create for a crazy, like, oh, there's a goose, bill poking into my palm or anything like that. Nice, straightforward, very... very comfortable knife. We have satin on the flats, and then the swedge and bevel down to the cutting edge are tumbled. Here's this. The pivot has a carbon fiber pivot collar. That's a nice touch. Carbon fiber looks good. Very good. It's really, really nice carbon fiber. Contoured. Oh, and there is some milling here. And you see on the inside it said Arcform. Yeah, that's nice. I hope this is available right now. I just don't know because I don't, I never know what's going to be in the box before I open it. But yeah, this is just an unboxing and first impressions. Nothing too crazy because I don't, I have to experience this before I review it. 3-4 weeks down the road, you will absolutely get a full comprehensive review of this guy. But yeah, this is good. I can tell you everything feels the way that it should right off the bat, picking it up and handling it. So I'm sure this one will be good to go. And by that, I mean it'll be an easy video because I feel like I like it, right off the bat. Look at that. If you're big into symmetry, then stuff like that is going to bother you because of how they decided to do the show side. I like symmetry, but it's not enough to be, to break the bank. But yeah, very, very, very cool. Absolutely. Thanks again to, I believe this was Nate who sent this in. Yes, Nate, thank you again for sending this in. Guys, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex. I'll go right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody. and have a great day.